Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Today we practice formal everything about arms strength, about leg strength and about core strength. So during all practice we do leg stretching and some plank posture, some Aswasanchalan posture, horse riding. Okay, so continue start to the practice. Before I start, I want to say if anybody want to learn online yoga class, then can contact with me. Now I will start group class also and individual you also know already. So continue start to the practice. First, relax your leg, interlock your finger and try to stretch up. Heel still on floor and try to stretch up maximum. Lengthen your spine, try to body one line, spine straight and stretch. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up maximum. Exhale, relax. Look up. Inhale, stretch up. Stretch as much as you can. Exhale, relax. Last time, inhale, stretch up. Body, arms in one line. Stretch as much as you can. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax your hand. We do side stretching, so separate your leg and lift your both arms shoulder level. Inhale and exhale, go left side. Try to stretch maximum. You can relax your arms also. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Last time, left side. Exhale and little hold. Hold with 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Same position, other side. Exhale, stretch maximum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center. Relax your hand. We do little back bending. Support your back and try to go back. Inhale. If you can, then try to bend your knee also and go more down. Exhale, come center and go forward. Elbow try to touch the floor. Inhale, go back as much as you can. Try to bend your knee and go more down. Exhale, go forward and elbow try to on floor. Inhale, last time, go back as much as you can and little bit hold, just 3 count. Inhale, go back, bend your knee. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, go forward and try to elbow on the floor. Relax your body, relax your hip and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, One, drop your palm on floor, leg back, come in plank pose, body one line, look forward. Open your shoulder, maintain. Relax your knee, come in half plank. Same position, open shoulder, look forward. Relax. Now mix both posture, plank and half plank. So first come in plank pose, bend your elbow and come half plank. Continue fast. Continue plank and half plank. Continue, try how much you can. Last time, hold in half plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in plank pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We do again plank pose, but lift left arms, then right arms, left arms and right arms. Continue. Come in plank pose and lift your left arms up. Change your hand. Continue. And aid chaturanga in this position. So first lift your left arms, bend your elbow, arms on floor, chaturanga, and come center and again lift your right arms. Again chaturanga, change your hand. Continue. Chaturanga, change your hand. 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 Relax. Now first we do a squat posture. So for a squat posture, you need to open your leg. Palm on floor, open your leg. Bend your both knee, lift your both arms. Check your leg by self. Thighs try to parallel floor. Leg standing position, arms up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, bend your knee, look up. Exhale. Inhale, bend your knee, hip down maximum. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue 2 times more. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale and hold 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Relax your hand, leg straight. And continue twisting little. So drop your right palm, left side. You can drop your elbow also and twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Inhale. And now little fast elbow try to on your toes. Exhale, continue. Same like Kapalbhati. Exhale. Relax. Relax your leg. Stand up. Shake your leg little. Continue. So we do horse riding posture now. You check warrior pose. Okay. First bend your knee. Hip pose down. Check your alignment by self. Leg standing position. And here no need think about everything. Just you check your leg. Hip in one line. Check your knee. Knee outside. Hip up or down, no need think, just you check about hip in one line from forward side, knee outside, maintain. Hold a little. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center, second side, same. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center. Now we do little bit of stretching also. So move left side. Your both hip in one line. Bend your knee, hip push down. Open your arms shoulder level and continue hip try to down. You can relax your hand also on your knee and continue try to hip down. Hip down maximum. Change your side. Same second side. Hip try to down as much as you can. Change your side. Change your side. Last time. Open your arms shoulder level and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your side. Same position. Open your arms shoulder level. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your legs. Shake your leg little. Little bit more. First we do chair pose with both legs. Bend your knee and lift your arms up. Maintain. Exhale, relax. Inhale, bend your knee. Exhale, relax. One time or last time. Bend your knee and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Same chair pose we practice with one leg. So your one leg come on your left knee, your right leg come on your left knee and bend your knee, same position, lift your arms, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Change your leg, second side, same. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax your leg little. Sorry, lie down. Relax your leg. Shake your leg. One time we do Chakrasana, just one time. Okay, 2 times we practice. So bend your knee and try to lift your body. Drop your palm finger your body side and lift your body up. Hip try to up maximum. If you feel you can move your hand and leg, then try to close. Relax. Bend your knee, hug your leg. Maintain. One time more, same. We'll pause. And elbow try to on the floor. Lift your body. And same. Try to close maximum. And then drop your elbow. Upon shoulder. Maintain. Relax. Drop your left leg on your right thighs, then hug your leg and close your knee and forehead. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg and try to close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax your leg. Relax your hand, little bit relax. Relax little bit. We do Shiv Pranayama, just Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom, and little bit Bhramri. First try to relax your breath. Relax your whole body. Slowly move left side and sit down. Now we start pranayama. So for pranayama, sit in any comfortable position. You can sit in this position also. You can sit in relaxing position also. So cross your leg. You can sit long time because we need select that type of posture, which position you can sit long time. If possible, then make lotus posture and sit in lotus posture. Back and neck should be one line. Hand relax on your knee in Jnana Chinna Mudra. Close your eyes. First, try to relax your whole body. Try to relax your breath. And now start Kapalbhati Pranayama. First we do Kapalbhati, then Anulom Vilom, and then Bhramri. So first start Kapalbhati. Palm on your knee. You can drop in Jnana Chinna Mudra also. Then continue, try to exhale. Only exhale. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. One time more, Kapalbhati. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. One time more, Kapalbhati. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your breath. Give little bit relax, then we start Nadi Shodhan or Anulom Bilom Pranayama. Continuous start, so close your right nostril through the right thumb. First make Pranam Mudra, then close your right nostril through the right thumb. Inhale left side. Close your left nostril and exhale right side. Inhale right side. Exhale left side. And continue. Your breath going slowly, deeply and longer. Continue. If anybody sit beside you, that they also can't listen the sound of your breath, so try to silently your breath going longer as much as you can, and exhale always going longer than inhale. Continue practice as much as you can. Last time, relax your hand. First exhale left side, then relax. Now continue practice Bhramari Pranayama. So close your ear through the thumb and close strongly. If anybody speak from outside, you can't listen that sound. So close your ear through the thumb and your forefinger come on your eyes and continue inhale and make sound. Total count is 10. So continue 10 count. If your 10 count finish, then relax your hand on your knee and listen sound from outside and sit in any meditation posture. Just listen sound from outside. Relax. Slant your palm in front of your body, rub your palm. After hit your palm, put on your eyes. Open your eyes and look your palm. Namaste. I hope everyone enjoyed today's class, and if have any confusion, then comment in comment box, or you can send me message also. I try to solve that. And if anybody want to learn online yoga class, then can contact with me. Now 6 to 7 Indian time, morning time, have group class also, so you can join there also. Okay, namaste, see you in next video.